Yes.
Okay, yeah. I need all of you to come up to the front. Everybody should be sitting. There should be 28 pieces of paper, 28 pencils, and 28 chairs. All right, first of all, I have a question for you. What grade are you guys in? Fourth and fifth. Okay, so not middle school. All right. Okay, where did you guys come from? Let's say that a little slower. Waukesha STEM Academy. So since it's a STEM academy, do you guys love math, science, engineering, and technology? Yeah. We do. All right.
Like science.
Oh, hi, my name's Ben. I'm also a scientist here at the university. So I'll be helping you. Anlin and I are going to be talking to you today. So, hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
All right, so guys, I need you to do me a favor, because Ben and I need to find out if we're doing a good job. So I have a couple questions in front of you, and I just want to find out what you know about what we're going to talk about today, and then we're going to talk about it, and I'm going to ask you again, what do you know about what we're talking about today? So do not put your name on that piece of paper, okay? But draw me a picture, or write a number, or put a letter on this piece of paper that you're going to remember, because I'm going to ask you to put it on another piece of paper. That way I can compare the two, but I won't know who you are. So write anything you want, and you have like 2 minutes, because there's only 2 questions. Yes? You don't have a pencil? That is the worst thing I've ever heard of. If you don't have a pencil, I have a bunch right here. Does anybody know what that is? Anybody know, what is a material? What do you think? Take a guess. We're going to do a lot of guessing today. What do you think? What do you think a material might be? What?
Material is something you use for something.
Something you use for something. That's absolutely correct. Can you give me an example, maybe? What?
Maybe your clothes.
Your clothes. Your clothes could be a material. That's an excellent example. Anything else? Look around. What's in this room that could be material that you think, maybe? What do you think? No wrong answer? I mean, you know, there's no risk here. What do you think? A telescope could be a material. What else?
Everything is a material of some kind.
You think everything is a material of some kind? Okay, what else?
Is that actually cow eyes?
That's actually not cow eyes, but we do have things with cow eyes. That's just a box we store things in. Yeah. A pencil. Okay, what else? Piece of paper. What else? You're gonna say it a little bit louder.
I said a piece of paper with mine.
Can I ask you what's on your teeth?
Braces.
Braces. Good example of material. All right. Today we're gonna call a material anything not made by nature. So rocks, trees, grass. Those things we're not calling material. A material is anything made by a human being. So look about this room for a second. What in here do you think was made by a person? What do you think?
Those are gloves.
The rubber gloves were made by a person. What do you think?
Clock.
The clock was made by a person.
Chairs.
The chairs were made by a person.
Table.
The table was made by a person. One more. Wait a minute back. What's your hand on right now? What was your hand just on? The table. The table was made by a person. So a material scientist has to figure out, what am I going to make something out of? If I made this table out of paper, would it be a very good table?
No.
Would it be a very good table for a laboratory? No, it would be the worst. So as a material scientist, I have to figure out, what am I going to make this table out of so it's strong and waterproof, and it doesn't get pencil on it that stays forever. And what if somebody pokes it with a stick? So these are all questions I have to ask because I'm a material scientist. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite materials in the whole wide world, which is carbon. Does anybody know what carbon is? What do you think? What do you think carbon is?
Is an element.
Carbon is an element. What do you think carbon is? That's right.
It's a gas and a liquid.
It is actually, okay, it could be a gas or a liquid, but not under conditions we have in this room. But anything can be converted if you have the right temperature and pressure. What else do you think? Do you think you've ever seen carbon?
No.
I don't think you've ever seen carbon?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide?
It's a mix of carbon and I think dioxide is another element, right?
It's an oxygen, yeah, dioxide is a double oxygen, and so where does it come from?
It comes from like fires and stuff.
You ever do this on a cold day?
You breathe it.
It comes out of you, it comes out of you, yeah, so carbon dioxide is all over. So, what if I told you that you are a giant wad of carbon? Carbon makes up every living thing on our planet. Did you know that? Carbon makes up every living thing on the planet. Every living thing
So we're just carbon people.
We are carbon-based life forms. That's what we're called. Carbon-based life forms. That's us. Plants are made of carbon, and animals, elephants are made of carbon. Plants, not rocks. Rock. Okay. Have you guys ever seen? Have you ever seen anything like this? Show my fingers.
Yeah.
What is this?
Ring.
What is this ring? What does this ring have in it? Can you kind of see? Have you ever seen diamond? Anybody's parents or family have diamond? Raise your hand if you've ever seen one. No, okay, if anybody ever knows what I'm talking about, you've ever heard the word diamond before, you know what that is. Okay, here's the crazy thing. Diamond is made of carbon. So I'm going to have you do an experiment. And unfortunately, I only have 6 of these. So I'm going to put 2 up here, and I want you each to give it a shot. And I'm going to give you, this is a diamond-tipped pen. Ooh, fancy. And I'm going to give you a piece of metal with your diamond-tipped pen. And I only have 6. So, hang on a second. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take your pencil. Everyone has a pencil? Does everyone have a piece of paper that looks like this, that's blank? All right. I want you to take your pencil, and I want you to draw something on this piece of paper. Just little. Doesn't have to be big, nothing elaborate. Just draw on the paper. Make a mark of some sort on the paper.